Ritch Robin, Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pit is going to walk you through a 24 by 36 long hybrid. That means pellet offset smoker. This is customized for a customer here in Texas, and he is picking it up today. But I want to walk you through it before we load him up. We've got a huge 14-inch drop-down 304 stainless steel front shelf. We've got the Smoke Daddy Pellet Pro Elite Hopper, 35-pound hopper, digital control board there, preset temperatures, and also plus or minus anywhere in between those presets. Inside, we've got your heavy-duty grease pans and heat shields and stainless steel fire pot. Your RTD probe or thermometer is right there for your hopper. We've got a 1/4-inch thick heat shield for when you're using the offset to minimize that hot spot. You can cook with the grease pan and heat shield in there when you're using the firebox, or you can take it out, whichever you find works best for you. You can go either way. I have customers go either way. We've got the interior drip bars on the bottom of the lid and on the top of the lid. And yes, that is the top because the door's open. This is the bottom there. And it is counterweighted. Look how easy that is. Very easy to open, very easy to close with one hand. We got dual Birdhouse stacks. We got the Party Gator, Gator Pit's unique upper tray design. We've been building this design since 1991. This is an original Gator Pit design where you have a split half or split racks. When both are in there, you make a full rack, or you can take the front out, or you can just move it to the back, or you can remove them both out and open up space for whatever you may be cooking on the bottom that need that. Again, that drop down big 14-inch stainless steel shelf, stainless steel rivets. We've got a 1/4-inch thick offset firebox with a Cowboy top or a grill firebox or grillability in the firebox. People refer to it to different things. Some people say it's a Cowboy firebox. Basically, all that is you're cooking on the food, you're cooking your food over your fire down below, and you can move that grate up here to get it closer to your meat rack for searing foods if you want, or keep it down below. Reinforced door. That's 1/4-inch thick, 1-inch flat bars, you can see, so your door's not going to warp when you get that firebox hot. And we have gas assist. We do have our heavy duty fire grate. That's framed out in 1.5-inch angles, reinforced in the middle with more angle, and it is 1/4-inch thick. Moving along the backside, our dial style air intake vents, our stainless steel handles, our gas assist cover plate protects that gas line. That is 1/2-inch gas pipe. And we have a 1/2-inch brass ball valve, and we have a stainless steel quick connect regulator hose for your tank holder, which clips on right here. We have already put the tank holder in his pit or his truck over there. And then you can see the Birdhouse stacks back here. We've got the stainless steel push-pull handles that we added to it. The Smoke Daddy Pellet Pro Elite Hopper does come with a pellet dump or chute, you can see there. If you haven't used all your pellets after you cook, you can dump them out and save them. Inside, it comes with your instructions, your meat thermometer or probe, and some other stuff down in there. Let me close it up so you get a good look at how pretty she is. And of course, you get that Gator Pit quality. We got the buffed out corners. We got the perfect welds or beads, fully flanged doors. Everything on this is gorgeous. There's no weld spatter. It's been cleaned up, sanded down, beautiful. Again, no weld spatter around it. Firebox has gorgeous beads that you'd be proud of people to look at and show off all the way around. No pits. It's just perfect welds, perfect beads all the way around. Heavy duty hinges in the back. Again, all welded. And you got that fully flanged firebox door with the dial style air intake vents. Gorgeous stainless steel. Again, that's 304 brushed. There you go with the stainless steel rivets attaching it. And your heavy duty log rack down below. Just a gorgeous pit. You do have a probe port. Obviously, you need that for your hopper to run your meat thermometers. There you go, Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. Call me, Ritch Robin, 713-896-0144. You can order this pit. It's called the Texas Premier 2 2436 on our website. There we do list about 6 or 7, maybe upwards of 10 options you can add to it. This pit is completely customized based on what the customer said he wanted. So if there's something on here that you don't see on the website, just call me. We can place the order over the phone and email an order confirmation to you. So you can order online, at gatorpit.net, or you can call me, Rich, and order it over the phone, and I'll email order confirmation to you. There's my contact information right there, 713-896-0144, and www.gatorpit.net to our website. We've got the heavy-duty, all-weather, greasable 8-inch casters. These are big, heavy-duty casters. They don't crack, break, peel, deteriorate, UV protected. They do have grease zerks on the bearings and on the hub. That's the centerpiece there, the axle. There are grease zerks there to hook a grease gun up and grease them. Makes it very simple. Again, Gator Pit quality, man. We don't cut corners. We don't use those red or orange-looking wheels that have multi-layers on them that will peel off in about 2 to 3 years. They will peel off, guys. That is a fact. I know because I've been there and done that over 30 years, and those casters will have to get replaced. I have never had a customer need to replace these in the 15-plus years we started using these casters. There's another video if you want to go look where I hit them with a sledgehammer across my parking lot right here. Never even broke them. Hit them like a golf ball. They never broke. Just gorgeous pit all around. That Gator Pit stack, that's Gator Pit signature stack, man. You see this, it's a Gator Pit. Unless somebody knocked it off, which wouldn't surprise me. You even have door stops back here, so your counterweight, when it comes back and hits, won't leave a line in your paint, mar in your paint. It will literally hit this and this before it hits your actual pit. Again, Gator Pit thinks of a lot of things that other builders out there haven't yet thought of or have experienced. You get 30 years of custom designs and fabrication when you order a Gator Pit. We've been there and done that. We're not figuring it out, guys. Again, I'm out of here. Ritch Robin. We also offer financing, y'all. You can go online and apply for financing. It's quick, it's easy. You get terms sent to you. You pick and choose what you want once you're approved. It does not hit your credit card or your credit score, rather, by simply applying. So you can apply without it affecting your credit. If you're approved, then they send you documents to review, and you pick the terms that you want to finance. We offer 0% financing for 12 months as well, guys. So if you want to at least do the financing to get an order in or get it paid for, do 0% for 12 months. It doesn't cost you anything that way. Meaning you're not paying any interest. Or you can choose the other terms that the lender offers you, which they'll go up to like 4 years on these with interest rate, like any other loan that you would apply for. Same process. But again, just by simply applying, it does not hit your credit score, so it doesn't affect you. And you'll get a response back in about 15 to 30 minutes. It's that fast. It is very quick. So go to Gator Pit right there. Look at a Gator Pit. Find one you like. You can order it like it is on the website. You can add the options that we've listed on that particular model on the website. Or you can call me, Rich, and we can do it over the phone and custom design and build one for you after we discuss what you want. We make it very, very simple, guys. Very simple. I'm Ritch Robin, Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. See ya.